Ready for some delicious scares? Here are the top 6 dishes for a truly spooky Halloween. Bloody sausage mummies. Wrap sausages with thin strips of dough. Bake until golden. Add eyes using mayonnaise and black peppercorns and drizzle with ketchup for a spooky effect. Witch's fingers. Shape sugar cookie dough into creepy finger shapes. Press an almond into one end as a fingernail and bake. Dip the other end in red jam for a bloody effect. Pumpkin cream. Soup. Boil pumpkin. Add sautéed onions and blend until smooth. Serve with cream and cups decorated with candy eyes. Bloody brain jelly. Pour red jelly into a brain-shaped mold and chill until set. Black spider cupcakes. Bake chocolate cupcakes. Top them with black frosting and decorate with gummy spiders. Witch's brew lemonade. Mix dark juices with lemonade, then add dry ice or regular ice for a magical bubbling effect. What will you be making? Share your recipes and spooky stories in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like for more inspiration.